So it's been raining here in Southern California, and we haven't been able to ride much Supercross, so Nuevo it is, sand track. So that's where we've been today, watching the boys ride a little bit. I've already did my motos, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Well, a lot of people left already, but still a good amount of people here. Get there, baby. Heart wrap. Yeah, baby. So yeah, that's usually the spot that everyone goes to whenever it rains in Southern California, and all the Supercross tracks shut down. Well, obviously because it's muddy. But yeah, so we just loaded up and went there today, did some motos, and yeah, got Justin Cooper, Shane McElrath, Aaron Plessinger, Justin Barsha. All those guys were there a bit earlier. That's who sort of I was riding with. But yeah, I decided to stay a little bit and video the boys for you guys. So yeah, that's just another day. Anaheim is, I think, 8 or 9 days away. So yeah, this weather needs to make a turn for the better so we can start riding some Supercross. Race bike gets here the 31st, and we'll ride it a couple days, and then yeah, January 4th, Anaheim 1, baby. It's almost here. Getting a little nervous, but not too bad. But yeah, man, it's like crunch time. You know, it's like trying to cram everything in at the last minute. You know, so it's all good though. Well, add a like to the video, add a comment, and tell me what you guys want to see next. I mean, we're gonna be doing some vlogging on the weekends, the Supercrosses. So yeah, tell me what you guys want to see.